Hello everyone, of late you all have been loving my simple vlogs, so here I am back. Today also I plan to show you some of the recipes, and yeah, so it's a weekend day. Let me show you what all activities that I do on my weekend. Come with me. Hi guys, I am preparing dal palak khichdi with a lot of vegetables. So I have palak over here, which I have cut and kept it sliced in, and soaking under water so that I will wash the palak properly. This is the rice that I have just soaked it, and I am taking three types of dal over here and some vegetables, and I'm also going to be adding beans. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, back with some more things that I've completed. I have created this onion and green chili paste. Then I have created adrak, garlic, red chili and a pepper paste, and then some tej patta, hing and jeera, just the powder. The dal and the rice is completely washed. The palak again and again I have washed. So now let's get started. These are the beans that I have already cut, so let's get started. Just preparing all the masalas now properly. Mixed all the rice, dal, palak, beans, everything. So here are the rice and dal. So this khichdi is ready. This has rice, three types of dal, palak, beans. Hopefully, let's see how it tastes. This is the palak and beans rice, and this is also the palak and beans rice. Finally tasting the palak and beans rice, and it is really wonderful and very nice to taste. Hello guys, so now I'm planning to show you my kurta collection. So let's get started. I'm going to show you my kurta collection. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Welcome to our kurti collection vlog. So today I am going to show you my kurti collection. So let's get started with the video, and let's get started with how many kurtas do I have. Some of the kurtas would be with the dupatta and some of them would just be plain kurtas. But yeah, can't wait to show you all the kurtis that I have, and I hope you love what you're seeing here and love this outfit as well. Guys, this is the second kurta set. Okay. So I have paired, this is like a Kashmiri cut kurta set, and I have paired it with dupatta and red pants. And this is the entire view. Really loved the cut work which is there over here, the U shape and the dupatta and the hand embroideries. It's so pretty. Okay, now with the third kurta. This is comparatively a very simple kurta compared to the first two kurtas, but nevertheless, this is very good for office wear, or it is very good for regular. And yeah, this is the one, this is the kurta. Hope you liked this kurta. Hello, I'm back with my fourth kurta. So yeah, this kurta comes with an amazing dupatta. You can see the work of the dupatta, and yeah, it is so good. So you can either take this dupatta like that, or just keep it like that and just have this here. It's a very pretty blue color with amazing dupatta detailing, and looks so damn good. Love this kurta set. Amazing. This is my fifth kurta. This is a very pretty maroon brown with a blue colored dupatta. Really loved the way it falls and the embroidery which is there and the entire look of this kurta, and it's very good, and the dupatta is also very nice. So the dupatta is plain color because the embroidery speaks so volume, so at least a plain dupatta kinds of manages this balance of it. And yeah, loved this kurti, and you can say this is like a anarkali set. Just have a closer look of this. This is the embroidery. It's even there in the hands. So yeah, looks very good. Guys, this is my sixth kurta and it is so beautiful. Known as a Punjabi kurta set. It has this amazing dupatta with amazing neck work. This whole, I love the color, love the fit. It is so good, so comfy, so comfortable, and I love this dupatta so much. And yeah, amazing, amazing. The Punjabi kurta suit. Love the work over here, the neck work. The neck work is fully there, hands also love it. So, this I think it's my seventh or eighth kurta. This is my most favorite kurta. Love the print, love the flow, love the entire flow of this. So damn pretty. Love this intricate details, the print, and it's very comfortable. And the good quality is that this is pure cotton and very comfortable to wear. Hello everyone, I am back with my ninth kurta, and this is also so good. Kurta, which is like in an anarkali form. It is so pretty, full of flowers and such intricate designs, and so pretty. It's cotton material, so it has a great flow, and and it's iron free, like it's wrinkle free. So there's no need to iron this or anything. Very pretty. Amazing kurta set. And loved the work, the pink flowers, the dupatta, very pretty. Guys, finally, this is my final kurta. So when you are seeing me, you are seeing an edited video where you can just see the kurtas being changed, but it has taken so much of my time because I have to put on kurtas and come and show you. So I have decided to keep a stop over here because I have few more kurtas which I wanted to show you, but those kurtas, unfortunately, I had lost my mic audio here, but nevertheless, let me take you through my audio which I'm recording afterwards. So, look at this kurta. So, the cream embroidery which is there on the black kurta is so pretty, and it looks so divine, and the good part is the cream kurta, the embroidery which is there, it has like a slit kind of a situation which makes us look a lot of very tall, and the embroidery which is there, that is also very beautiful. Overall, it was a very good kurta, and the main part about this kurta that it is very comfortable. It's a cotton kurta, wrinkle free, and the design is unique, and you can wear it in office also or any other festival also. Welcome to our kurti collection. So here are my top 10 kurti collections. Tell me which one is your favorite. I enjoyed wearing all these 10 kurtis. It was so amazing and so much fun. And yeah, I'm eager to know which one actually really is loved by you, or by you all? Please tell me in the comments. I would be waiting for your comments to read and see and interact with you all. I loved every single kurtis. I hope you all love too. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you loved watching this video. I really hope you loved our collection of the kurtas, and I tried my best to show you all the kurtas with all the possible angles and everything. So yeah, keep watching my videos. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.